Reasons car AC doesn't cool while driving. If your car's air conditioning, AC, fails to cool effectively while driving, it can be a frustrating experience, especially during hot weather. This issue can stem from several causes, ranging from mechanical failures to environmental conditions or improper maintenance. Here is a detailed explanation of the potential reasons and solutions for an AC system that doesn't cool properly while driving. 1. Low refrigerant levels. One of the most common reasons for poor cooling is low refrigerant levels. Refrigerant is the lifeblood of the AC system, responsible for absorbing heat and releasing it outside the vehicle. Over time, refrigerant can leak due to damaged hoses, seals, or connections. When the levels drop, the AC system cannot effectively cool the air. To fix this, a mechanic needs to inspect the system for leaks, repair any damaged components, and recharge the refrigerant to the manufacturer recommended level. 2. Faulty AC compressor. The AC compressor is the heart of the cooling system, as it pressurizes the refrigerant and circulates it through the system. If the compressor is failing or not engaging properly, the refrigerant cannot flow efficiently, leading to inadequate cooling. This issue can result from a worn-out clutch, electrical failure, or lack of lubrication. A professional inspection is necessary to determine whether the compressor can be repaired or needs replacement. 3. Clogged or dirty condenser. The condenser, located at the front of the vehicle near the radiator, dissipates heat absorbed by the refrigerant. If the condenser becomes clogged with debris, dirt, or bugs, it cannot release heat effectively. This causes the refrigerant to remain warm, reducing the system's cooling capacity. Cleaning the condenser with a gentle stream of water or having it professionally cleaned can resolve this issue. In severe cases, the condenser may need replacement if it's damaged. 4. Malfunctioning cooling fans. The cooling fans play a crucial role in ensuring the condenser stays cool, especially when the vehicle is stationary or moving at low speeds. If the fans are not working due to a blown fuse, faulty motor, or electrical issue, the condenser cannot dissipate heat effectively, leading to poor cooling performance. Replacing or repairing the faulty cooling fan components can restore proper cooling. 5. Blower motor issues. The blower motor is responsible for pushing cooled air into the cabin. If the motor is failing or the fan speed settings are not functioning correctly, the airflow may be weak or inconsistent. This can make it seem like the AC isn't cooling effectively. Inspecting the blower motor, resistor, and related wiring can help identify the problem, and replacing the faulty components can improve airflow. 6. Cabin air filter blockage. The cabin air filter ensures that the air entering your vehicle is clean and free from dust, pollen, and debris. Over time, this filter can become clogged, restricting airflow and reducing the AC system's efficiency. If your AC isn't cooling well, especially while driving, it might be time to replace the cabin air filter. Most manufacturers recommend replacing this filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or as needed. 7. Expansion valve or orifice tube issues. The expansion valve or orifice tube regulates the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator, where cooling occurs. If this component is clogged or malfunctioning, it can disrupt the refrigerant flow, causing the system to underperform. This issue requires professional diagnosis and repair, as it involves working with the refrigerant system. 8. Overheating engine. An overheating engine can also affect AC performance. When the engine temperature rises excessively, the AC system may shut down or work less efficiently to reduce the load on the engine. Overheating can be caused by issues like a failing thermostat, low coolant levels, or a faulty radiator. Addressing the root cause of engine overheating can restore AC cooling. 9. Electrical problems. Modern AC systems rely on various electrical components, such as relays, sensors, and control modules, to function correctly. If there's a problem with the wiring, relays, or sensors, the AC system may not operate as intended. For instance, a faulty pressure sensor may prevent the compressor from engaging, leading to inadequate cooling. Diagnosing electrical issues requires specialized tools and expertise. 10. Environmental factors. Sometimes, the AC's inability to cool while driving is influenced by external conditions. For example, if you're driving in extremely high temperatures or in stop-and-go traffic, the AC system may struggle to maintain optimal cooling. Similarly, driving at high altitudes or in areas with high humidity can affect the system's efficiency. While these factors may not be entirely avoidable, ensuring the AC system is in top condition can help minimize their impact. In conclusion, a car AC system that doesn't cool properly while driving can have multiple underlying causes, ranging from low refrigerant levels and clogged components to mechanical failures and environmental challenges. Diagnosing and addressing the issue typically requires a thorough inspection of the AC system, including the refrigerant, compressor, condenser, and electrical components. Regular maintenance, such as replacing the cabin air filter and checking refrigerant levels, can prevent many of these problems. If the issue persists, consulting a professional mechanic is recommended to ensure safe and effective repairs.